You walk into a room and completely forget why you're there. You meet someone new, shake their hand, and 3 seconds later, their name's gone. You spend hours studying, and the next day it's like you never read it at all. Here's the thing. Your brain isn't broken. It's actually doing exactly what it evolved to do. Get this. We forget about 50% of new information within an hour and 90% within a week. This is called the forgetting curve, and a German psychologist named Ebbinghaus figured this out way back in 1885. So if you feel like your brain is a leaky bucket, you're not alone. You're actually completely normal. But in a world where we're drowning in information, your brain isn't trying to be a filing cabinet anymore. It's a filter. And honestly, that's a good thing. Because here's where it gets wild. Forgetting isn't a bug. It's a feature. Think about it. Your brain evolved thousands of years ago to remember things like, don't eat that berry, it killed Gary, or lions hang out near that watering hole. It did not evolve to remember where you put your AirPods or what your coworker's husband's name is. Your brain's job is to forget irrelevant stuff so you can focus on what actually matters. But okay, why do we forget the things we actually want to remember? 3 reasons. First, encoding failure. The information never gets stored in the first place. You're scrolling through Instagram while someone's talking to you. You're reading a page but thinking about lunch. You ever finish a page and realize you don't remember a single word? That's encoding failure. Your brain was on autopilot. Second, interference. New memories compete with old ones, especially when they're similar. Where'd you park today versus yesterday? Your brain mashes them together. It's like trying to save 2 files with the same name. Things get messy. Third, retrieval failure. The memory's in there, you just can't access it. You know that feeling when a word's on the tip of your tongue? It's locked in your brain somewhere. You just lost the key. So your brain's actively trying to forget stuff. Seems pretty hopeless, right? Actually, scientists have figured out how to hack this entire system. Strategy 1, active recall. Stop rereading your notes. That's passive and it's basically useless. Instead, force your brain to retrieve the information. Close the book. Explain what you just learned out loud. It's gonna feel hard. That struggle? That's your brain building stronger neural pathways. Research shows active recall is 200% more effective than just reviewing. 200%. Strategy 2, spaced repetition. Review information at increasing intervals. 1 day later, then 3 days, then 7, then 14. This directly fights the forgetting curve. You're basically training your brain to think, okay, this keeps showing up, must be important, I should probably hold on to it. Apps like Anki do this automatically, but you can also just schedule reminders. Strategy 3, make it weird. Connect new information to things you already know. Make it visual, emotional, or just straight up bizarre. Meeting someone named Baker? Don't just repeat Baker, Baker, Baker. Picture them covered in flour, pulling a loaf of bread out of an oven. Smell the bread. Hear the oven timer. Your brain loves stories and images. The weirder the connection, the stickier the memory. You're creating multiple retrieval pathways instead of just one. Strategy 4, sleep and move. This isn't optional. Memory consolidation happens during deep sleep. Cut your sleep, you're cutting your memory. Period. And exercise? It increases something called BDNF. Think of it as fertilizer for your brain. It literally grows new neurons in your hippocampus, which is your memory headquarters. Oh, and one more thing. Pay attention in the first place. Put your phone in another room. Single task. You cannot remember what you never actually paid attention to. So here's the truth. Your brain forgets to survive. It's not broken, but you can work with it. Use active recall. Space out your reviews. Make weird connections. And take care of your body. Sleep and exercise aren't negotiable. You don't have a bad memory. You've just been using your memory wrong. Pick one of these strategies this week. Just one. Try it out and let me know in the comments which one you chose. And if you want more science-backed ways to upgrade your brain, hit subscribe. I break this stuff down every week. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to figure out why I walked into this room.